Microthemer 5.7 focuses on improving your editing experience in a number of ways. The new features will be particularly beneficial to experienced coders and beginners wishing to learn CSS using Microthemer. And for those that develop on two screens, this release is a potential game changer. But more on that shortly. Let's start with the features that everyone will benefit from. The first improvement is speed. Following a second round of speed optimizations, the interface should feel noticeably faster as you navigate around it. We've also added 3 new layouts to the interface. You can choose to dock all styling options and the custom code editor to the left. This might be preferable if you are used to the sidebar layout from other tools, and may be best suited to the constraints of small laptop screens. When screen space is particularly limited, remember that removing the rulers, hiding the property labels, and enabling full screen mode all free up more space for the site preview. The option to dock only the code editor to the left while keeping the styling options in their usual place is great if you frequently switch between the code editor and the styling options. This layout reveals the CSS code Microthemer generates as you work with the styling options, and so it's a great choice for learners. It's also a great choice for coders as it allows them to dip into the styling fields as and when it's quicker than writing code by hand without switching context. Adding new styles via the styling options updates the code editor and briefly highlights the line that changed. Microthemer includes a little G button in the gutter if the property can also be edited via the styling options. This button provides a shortcut for jumping straight to the relevant field, which is a great little time saver. There is also a keyboard shortcut that will perform the same action, Ctrl, Alt and G. If used outside of the code editor, Ctrl, Alt and G will return focus to the editor, so you can now switch between the fields and the editor without ever using your mouse. Let's finish by looking at the headline feature. If, like me, you're totally hooked on the dual screen workflow, where you have one screen for writing code and another screen for viewing the site, you will love Microthemer's new Detached preview feature. We can enable this from the View menu and then drag one window to another screen. Personally, I like to have the site preview on the larger screen and Microthemer running on my laptop screen. But for the purpose of this video, which only shows one screen at a time, I will keep the interface and the preview as separate tabs within the same window. This setup has 2 significant advantages: more room to see and edit the site, and more room for the code editor and styling options. Care has been taken to ensure that you only need to drag the preview over to a second screen once at the start of your development session. Once you've done that, you are free to use the Detached preview window to administer your WordPress site in the usual way, switching between the dashboard and the front end perhaps. Microthemer will resume the link between the 2 windows whenever you return to the site front end. Microthemer already works great with drag and drop page builders, and even has deep integration with the most popular ones like Elementor and Beaver Builder. But the new dual screen feature takes this even further. We now have a whole screen just for the page builder interface and the site preview contained within it, and another screen just for Microthemer. This avoids the potential overcrowding of having an editor inside an editor, and arguably makes Microthemer the best companion to any page builder. You can try out these new workflows using our online demo. If you have any questions, please feel free to open a chat conversation or say hi in the forum. Thanks for watching.